How to private featured photos on Facebook on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video, I'll show you how you can make your featured photos private on Facebook, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to make your featured photos private on Facebook, what you have to do is I will show you what the issue is. First of all, if I open up Facebook over here, once I open Facebook and then I go to my profile page over here, I scroll down to the bottom. Here you can see the featured section. The very first thing you have to understand is that Facebook officially does not support the way to make your featured section private, because a featured section is there to showcase to others. That's why it is called featured, and these are simply some of the highlights that you chose to add manually and then show it to the public. So if you want to hide it, why not just delete it? But no, I'm not going to tell you to delete your featured photos. That is not what you want to do. You just want to hide it from the general public. Before we get to that, I have one advice for you. If you don't want other people to see your featured photos and cover photos when they browse to your profile, you can actually just edit the cover photo and then choose some kind of fake image that you want. So let's say that you don't want to open the cover photo for this, right? Then just choose that featured collection, tap on the three dots, go to edit featured collection. In the cover photo, instead of uploading a real image, just choose a generic image and then save it, so that people who browse to your featured collection will not be able to go ahead and then view your real photos. Now, other than that, what you want to do is, in order to completely eliminate the featured section and then only show it to you and then make it private, what you have to do is make sure you're under the profile tab. Then you have to tap on the three dot icon over here. Then once you tap on the three dot icon, from the very bottom you'll find the option called turn on professional mode. You just want to tap on turn on professional mode and then just tap on the turn on button again. Do not worry, we're not changing anything related to your account. We're only switching to a professional account, just like how you switch on TikTok and Instagram. And after you switch to professional account, the magic here is that when you come to your profile page, you'll see that your settings has changed a little bit. So you can see your bio. Instead of friends, you can see 1.1k followers, because they've been converted to followers. And then you can see our details. And if you scroll down, you can see, boom, we don't have our featured collection in the first place. But don't worry, our featured collection is not deleted. Other people who view your profile will also not be able to view your featured collection. To prove that to you, I'll just tap on the three dot section and then I'll go to view as. And once I go to view as, here you'll be able to notice that we do not have the featured collection, which means this is how other people are going to perceive our profile. This is the way they see it. So obviously they will not be able to go ahead and then view the featured collection. Now, if you in case want to get those featured photos back, what you have to do is just come back and then you have to turn off professional mode. So when you turn off professional mode, your featured collection is going to come back to where they belong. Only when you turn on professional mode, they're going to be hidden from you as well as the public. And this is the way on how you can private featured photos on Facebook on your iPhone. We hope the video was really helpful. And if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.